Making my way downtown. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? What's this? Maybe we should go onto the scooter. Okay, let's go for a scooter ride. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Me and Pip right now are out strolling about with the scooter. She's enjoying this little beautiful day right here. Taking me, Dad. Where are we going? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. What's up? Crazy. What should we do now, Layla? I don't know. Something? Yeah. Maybe we should go to the beach. Yeah, okay. I think that's a great plan. Let's go. What's happening, guys? We are here in Indiana Dunes, up in the top here of a little dune. Beautiful day for a nice little hike. I guess who I got with me on my... it's Pip! What's happening, guys? Oh, that was such a good yawn. Yeah. You know, this is more of an intense workout than going on an elliptical because your feet sinks deep in and... Ooh, look what I'm looking at. Check this out. It's beautiful. Wish we'd be down there during the snow. That'd be sick. It's whoosh.
Yeah.
People will go like sledding down here, up here. Sick. Go down. Look at the branches here. Oh my god, dude. What's going on? What are you doing in here? Look at this. Nice. Oh my god. Dad, what are you doing to me? This is a workout carrying a 20-pound dog. 20? How dare you? That's not my number, asshole.
I'm 12 pounds.
12 pounds.
12 ounces.
13 and a heavy day set. And a heavy meal. Oh, that feels so good, babe. Oh my god, that feels so good. Oh, touch, get in the water. It is so good. Oh my god, I'm gonna go. Feeling like I'm gonna go in right now.
Go for it.
What do you think? What do you think, Pippin? Oh my god. Look at this. You want some more waterness? Yes, please.
Oh, you want me to like Oh, the seaweed just floated past the camera.
Such a good little Pippin. It's okay. Oh.
Layla.
Oh my god. Oh, that feels so good. The body is coming.
Layla.
She
Hi,
likes
Layla.
it.
It's peaceful. And it's not like a bath where she hates it.
Let's just dig into here and open it up and pop it open and let's see what we are playing with. Look at that. One. Can't get this one out, but got it. Alright. What do we have here? See? We got some hoses to go along with that. More hoses. Instruction step by step, but this is all gonna be basic bolt-on. I think that's the air filter itself. Yep, it comes with the air filter. Alright, let's see how this guy looks. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Okay. And then here is the tubing as well. Yeah, that's what we want. That's aluminum, that's not plastic. And then some more couplers, some clamps, and then we have some sensor mounting bracket as well. So that is what's included in the packaging. All right, so let's install it. All right, so we removed the whole system here. We had to mount this little bracket into here to make sure a honeycomb filter slides in smoothly. And it also comes with this rubber little siding here. So now I'm guessing we have to mount all this together. All right, moving on to the mass airflow sensor here. Got to remove these Allen screws here. I don't know exactly what size they are, but be very, very delicate removing this. All right, one out. All right, there's only one way to get it in here. As you can see, it doesn't match up from this side. You can see how it is on this side. It only can go in one direction, and that's the right direction to place it. All right, well, this is the after result of installing the Rough Country cold air intake system. Unfortunately, it didn't come with any hose clamps, so you have to get that yourself at your local auto parts dealer. This rough country I don't get it. They can't get their shit together. But that's the final results. I'm not gonna do it before and test the install and without it. There's plenty of videos online, guys, but I think it's aesthetically even better without the original OEM intake system. Much better.
You know? So nothing flies into my face.
Looks like it's gonna rain. Jinx! Holy fuck! We said it like in the same, like we were gonna catch each other.
Yep.
That is so weird. Did you guys catch that?
Oh, my zebra flag. It's a cute little Toyota.